Welcome to the Own Your Family.
Have you noticed it yet? The world is changing. Maybe you've already been impacted, or maybe you haven't yet, but the economy is shifting. Company loyalty isn't what it used to be, and technology is driving change in what we do, how we shop, and how we think. Welcome to the gig economy, where everyone is choosing a side gig for extra income or to replace their primary income. Have you ever driven by a luxurious home and think, I wonder what they do? What do they know that I don't? Well, the answer is that they saw something before others did and acted on that information. And now it's your turn. We have time-sensitive information that can give you an edge and create generational wealth for you and your family. You can do this by taking advantage of a breakthrough healthcare technology that's not widely known yet. You see, we've partnered with a publicly traded company that has cracked the aging code and is pioneering a whole new field in healthcare called Nutrigenomics. And now, news agencies, university researchers, and healthcare organizations around the globe are taking notice. Researchers at major universities have evaluated our technology and concluded that this may be the most important preventative breakthrough in the history of medicine. Also, a 10-year government-funded study found that our breakthrough product was the only product they tested that increased lifespan and delayed disease. Dozens of independent university studies on this product have validated huge benefits, and these studies have been published in scientific and medical journals. These results attract attention, and the company who has patented this technology has created a whole suite of products that are proven to work, and people really want to take benefit. All we need now is people like you to help introduce this new technology to the world, and the company will compensate you directly. If you ever wanted to own your own business or just earn an extra source of income in your spare time, our program allows you to get paid commissions and royalties by educating others and marketing this technology and these science-based products. The key here is royalty income. Not that type of royalty, this type of royalty. It allows you to get paid over and over again for the work you did in the past, and that is what can give you time freedom in addition to financial freedom. The company also has a revenue sharing program as well as other incentives and perks that makes this business fun to do. The system is simple and e-commerce driven, and anyone who wants to make a change in their life can learn it. You can even run your business from your phone. Does this get you excited? If so, welcome to LifeVantage, a publicly traded company on NASDAQ. The people at LifeVantage will help you get started and train you on a proven system that fits your lifestyle so that you can build the generational wealth you and your family deserve. The timing of this opportunity can't be any better, so you'll want to get set up with an account today and start sharing the information and earn your first check. Now you know something that others don't, but the key is acting on the information you just learned. Let us take you to the next step.
Thanks for listening. Join our online family by signing up for your free account at www.ownyourfamily.com and begin your journey to freedom. Want to get there faster? Book a strategy call with us at ownyourfamily.com/book a call. As always, be sure to leave a rating and subscribe to our podcast and channel so you never miss a future episode.